How you doing today, Oh, what a sweetie pie. Don't you think she's the sweetest little kitty cat ever? Isn't she the sweetest little kitty cat ever? You wagging your tail. You think she's so adorable, don't you? Well, guess what? I think she's so adorable too. I'm so glad I adopted this little sweet pea. Oh, she's got my hand. She's got my hand. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, you're such a sweet pea, aren't you? Oh, yes you are. What do you have to say about yourself, Emma? Have you attended Cuteness University? Because you're just that cute? No, you're just a sweet pea. Come here and get closer. Don't have to be afraid. Come here. Come here. Yeah, the dog's a little fearful of Emma. She likes Emma, but she's very obsessed with her. But she's also like, I don't know, just a little bit nervous around Emma. Because, well, I mean, to be fair, Emma does slap her around on occasion. So, I mean, we have to be fair. But, I mean, but what a sweet pea. I mean, who couldn't love this kitty cat? Who would give this kitty cat up? I can't figure that out. But I'm glad they did. I'm glad they did. Because now I get to have this sweet little kitty cat. So I'm glad whoever decided to abandon her did, because now she's my sweet pea little kitty cat, aren't you? You like those chin rubs, don't you? You like those chin rubs. Oh, you're so sweet, aren't you? You're so sweet. You're so sweet. Yes, you are. Yes, 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 yes. You're sweet pea. Hey, you're a sweet pea. Come here closer. Come on. Closer. Yes, you're a sweet pea. I'm so glad you're my kitty cat. I'm so glad you're my kitty cat. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I'm in a weird mood today. Over and out.